touch my mother.
Got any plants? I had some things for your dog to chew on.
Yeah, she needs treats.
It was a chew thing, so rawhide and stuff.
Oh, she would have loved that.
Yeah, I got a few of them like raw. I'll remember.
I cut my hair and shaved. Oh, I can play the I cut my hair completely. Hey, listen to this song. What song do you think this is? No, that's not it. That's not it. No. I can run the distance and spaces between us. That is how I know you are wrong. That's not it. Here, far.
No, come on.
Wherever you are here, have nothing to fear, and I know that my heart will go on. What's the rest?
That one. In love.
No.
That's not how it goes. That's not the lyrics.
Hey, listen. Hold on.
What is
Wait.
Wise men say. Yes.
Yeah, I know.
Only fools fall in love.
Rush in.
What? You're saying Russian?
Only
Russian.
fools rush in.
Oh. No, fall in love.
No. I know the words.
That's a nice bowl. Where did you get this from? From the tag sale place?
No, that's Claudia's.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Sorry, Claudia.
Falling in love with you. That one.
I don't know how to play that.
Which one is your speaker?
The disco ball. That's why I said my disco ball.
That's what it's called?
Yeah, disco ball.
It's not working.
Maybe because mine is attached to it already.
Probably.
Well, I don't know where my phone is. That's hard, man. My dog has fleas. Is it time, Tony? Oh, did you just remember that I just said, it's probably because my phone is connected, but I don't know where my phone is?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hi, phone. Come on, let me. It's a Marlboro jacket.
Yeah,
Show everybody.
nice on him, though.
Tony is in love with this jacket. Come here,
I
guys.
like
You
it.
remember
I
this
have a
jacket?
It looks good in
Guys, you
that.
remember this jacket? And all you smokers out there saving up your points, your
Yeah,
little cards.
Yes.
This
I got
lady.
it
Yes.
for $25.
I got suitcases and everything.
Suitcases. We had.
Oh,
We had book bags. Yeah, we
It
had
right there. It's so
you had sleeping
fanny
bags.
packs,
With my
sleeping
red
bags.
pants.
Yep, I counted them and I had to mail them in.
Yep.
I did it. Yeah, I forgot about
They
that.
have raw ones too, like the off-white.
Look at the rain.
Only fools rush in.
Oh, you're right.
It's going down. I'm yelling timber. You better move. You better dance. Let's make a night we won't remember. Oh my god.
Wait till Angie comes. She's gonna be just. Ukulele-ing away. Ukulele.
Why did I put these little shoes on my hand? Why? I wasn't ready.
Are you ready? To the doctor, and the doctor said, "You crazy girl."
Yeah, she's good. That's what they said.
So I went back home, and I told my mama what the doctor said, and she told me stop jumping on that bed. But the doctor said I'm crazy and monkeys like to fly. So
Mom, listen. Kiko found a pack of cigarettes from 1972.
where?
So he smoked them.
What?
Honestly, they can't go bad. It's all made of chemicals and shit.
Look
There
at
are no chemicals in that.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he smoked them. Look.
Wait, show my
Look,
people.
look at that.
Show
No,
us- Why?
because Kiko has a job and he needs a good reputation.
What, Kiko could smoke cigarettes. He's of age. His friend Kiko found
where
a
did
pack
he
of
work?
cigarettes from
No.
1974 and he smoked them. 1972.
He smoked them and he said they weren't bad.
And what's the name of them?
They
Show
weren't
bad.
them. Show them.
They don't need to know everything.
Where did you find them?
I don't know.
Guys, you do need to know everything, don't you? You can connect yours now.
Hold on.
Hola.
¿Cómo está? Muy bien. ¿Y tú? Have I told you that I hate sitting still? Do you know that?
Have I told you that I hate Christmas?
So do I.
It's just annoying.
I like
Way too
Christmas. I hate
festive.
winter.
I hate winter. And
If winter was in summer, I mean,
If winter-
if Christmas was in summer, that would be awesome. That's what she said.
do more clippies.
Nope.
Yeet.
I might. In here. I might have one.
And then my here's one.
Guys, I can't get demonetized.
What the hell is this?
What?
What?
What? What was it?
She just said that on purpose.
No,
Just to
what
be
do you
funny.
mean?
She
No.
is
I looked at it.
What
like,
the hell is this?
Like a man too. She said it.
What the? What in the hell is this thing?
Here's another thing.
What'd you have in there, Mom?
Oh, these are all mine.
Mom, can I
Whatever.
put more school?
You know what? I got them and they came in handy.
What song he's gonna pay me?
What?
Come on, first of all, we're at school.
Why I got your socks in here.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Chillo. Papi chillo. Ma, come over here for a minute. Let me see your head. This way.
She's eager.
What's happening to me?
Nothing.
What's happening to me?
Okay. It just looked like there was a missing spot there.
Oh. Yeah, right in the middle of my head.
Yeah. That's what it was.
I think I know
But-
why.
Well, I'm ready to go out in the rain.
Did you wear your new outfit I got you for your birthday?
Yes, I love it. Everybody loves it.
I mean, your shirt?
Yes, I like it.
Why didn't I get an outfit on my birthday?
You did.
Oh, did you show
You
them
got a pair of new underwear.
What did I get on my birthday?
Tony's getting a tattoo when he's 18 if he's doing good in school.
I'm getting a tattoo when I'm 18.
What are you getting?
Being good.
I don't know. I might not tell my mom because she pinky promised me that she would pay for it no matter what it is.
No, I didn't.
If you graduate with high
I never
honors.
did.
Nah.
Never did. She's just so lying.
She already got your tattoo.
Yeah.
You paid for mine, right?
She paid.
Yes.
Cassie paid for her own tattoo.
This is a tattoo.
Yeah. La
Yeah.
vida es bella.
She does good in school.
I have all A's. Well, now I
She
have an
doesn't do
87.
good in school.
Well, then what the hell did you get her a tattoo for?
I didn't get it for her.
You signed the paper.
Yeah, she paid for it herself.
That's not
Yeah,
doing anything.
you signed the paper.
Mom,
So-
signing the paper's not doing anything.
Yes, it is. It's giving permission. She can't get a tattoo unless ma.
Yeah, they have to have ID
Signs.
too. When I went there, there was a
But
whole
when
like
you're 18, you
wall
don't
of
need.
fakes, like
Right.
fake IDs and shit.
But I will pay for yours.
I need
you have to
another
be good.
clippy.
You know you
I
don't.
have- okay. let's
You really don't.
Yes, I do.
Flip it to the other one.
Just go like this.
No.
Improvise. You have to
No.
learn to improvise.
No, baby.
Come on, we're already 17 minutes in here.
Honey.
Honey, no, honey.
Honey, no.
You sound like Ming, Ling, Ling, Ming, Ming.
Do you know what her name?
Yeah, Mimi.
Mom, you never said
Lovely Mimi.
My lovely Mimi, do you watch her?
Lovely Mimi.
Do you watch her? I
Yes, I
love
do.
her. That's how I learned how to do my nails.
Mom, you never said
I bought all the stuff she had. What?
You never seen my grades, it'd be good to get my tattoo.
Yes, you
Or
can't
did.
just, I'm not just getting you a tattoo just like, yeah, you're
birthday?
failing all your courses,
For
sure,
my
get your
birthday?
tattoo. No, you get a tattoo for your
my
birthday when you're
birthday.
being mature, not just like, oh,
Does
let
my
me
birthday mean nothing?
It
It's
does.
nothing. I can get it myself on my birthday
You
if I
could,
wanted to.
you
Yeah,
could, but
yeah.
I said I would pay
I
for
can
it.
get one on my
Oh,
forehead.
but then see, she would. be
You can get a
paying
million
for it,
of them.
So you
I
could
can
get
fill
it,
all my
but
classes.
you'd be-
Even
Guess
my
what,
tattoo.
son?
Yeah,
You
but
need.
you'd
Oh,
have to
my
pay
God.
for it yourself.
It only
You need a
costs
job.
$100.
Lali Mimi, Lali Mimi said you need job.
He does need.
You need job to get tattoo, honey.
Still making money.
He be wait, honey.
Oh, come on, get it. Just text me.
It cut the balls.
I'm gonna get one.
Hello, not working. Hey, they have these at
Cass,
the.
could you just keep going?
Hey,
Yeah, cat.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm trying to connect to the.
No, we gotta go. We have to go.
Just come right here too.
No, she doesn't.
Yes, I have.
Why? Where do you gotta go?
I have an
She has to go to work at 5.
Oh my God, Cassie May.
It's 3. She has to come right here.
No, she's not cutting your hair
Look,
today.
look, it sticks up.
Oh, that's because you have bedhead. You've been sleeping for days.
No, it's not. I take a shower at night. I need
Listen.
to put my hair. I'm putting my hair. I like this song. I'm putting my hair.
Cass, that thing that you shared, you're not in it, are you?
Yes, I am.
Fright Fest? Is that you? Is it you? Hold on. Is that you? The one
Cass,
telling
will you just get going and cut her hair?
Oh no, I'm not in the video. I'm in it though.
Oh, I thought you were in the video.
I gotta have time. I'm just gonna go. I'm like 10 minutes early.
What? No, you are, Tony. Wait, what time is it,
So
Mom?
why'd you just
I don't know.
Look on your phone, Tony.
I don't have
It's 3:12.
You gotta go at 3:25.
So,
3:20.
Yeah, 3:20.
Don't mess around. You gotta do it for Mommy Kim.
She's avoiding it.
I'm not avoiding anything.
Well,
I
get going.
can't avoid work. You won't have to sit on that stool, baby.
Me?
Yeah. Here. I'm gonna cut it to here.
Well, is that gonna make it look better and not dead? Then do it.
She's not gonna have it straggly ends, but she needs to cut it in a V.
Stop. You're not the hairdresser.
I would cut it in a V.
So like,
Cuts right here.
I was gonna cut it like up to here.
You want like a 45?
No, like a blunt cut all the way around, but with layers. But I won't do that right now. Just you trimming.
Oh, well, we can't do it because we're doing my hair.
I'm Italian, Russian, Slovak,
Irish.
German. I'm not Irish.
He's Irish.
No, you say he's Irish. You don't even know his father.
He's Irish.
Ma,
Look at him.
Puerto Ricans have freckles.
No. he's
Yes, they do.
No, he was Irish freckles
Cassie.
and blue eyes.
Oh, Cassie's Irish. Never mind. Jackie has freckles. She's Polish.
Oh, white people just have freckles.
Yeah, it's just.
Father was all Polish.
Yeah.
Was he?
Honestly,
Yeah.
it has nothing to do with your race. It's the mental analysis.
Yeah. Just because you have freckles doesn't mean you're Irish.
And he
Was
had a red beard. Yes, he was.
That don't mean
there was
nothing.
Irish.
Ma, there's black people who have red hair. There's Puerto Rican people who have red hair. It doesn't make a difference if you have
They
red
came
hair.
from Ireland.
That's not what Grandma said.
I like this.
Grandma told me that his father was blah 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 carpenter. That's what Grandma told me.
I
It
don't
was
think
Tommy
Grandma really
Parks.
knew.
Was Tommy Parks Irish?
Yeah.
He was Irish?
Yeah.
Well, then how come my Kim don't got no freckles? I think Grandma would know if Daddy was Tommy Parks' kid. And she told me. Grandma told me this.